Hi everybody, I hope you all are doing good and welcome back to my channel. So we all know why Kolhapur is famous for, right? For its tradition, culture, for their authentic food and their spices. And it's very rare to find Kolhapuri style chicken or food in Pune. But I've got you covered on that. We are at Kolhapuri Thaat, which is famous for their menu and for their food dishes made in Kolhapuri style. And this place gives you so much of a home and cozy vibe, and the food is outstanding, and it is one of the best rated non-vegetarian thali places in Pune. So this outlet is currently in Baner. Let's get inside, let's experience Kolhapur and their huge menu that they have to offer. And they also have great menu, great options, and the price are super cheap. So this is Pandra rassa, in which chicken is made in a coconut gravy and it is added up with the Indian spices. As we're trying it in the Kolhapuri Thaat, of course it is made out of Kolhapur spices.
चिकन फ्राय थाली आहे, चिकन फ्राय आहे, या सोनकढी आहे, पांढरा रस्सा, तांबडा रस्सा, अंडा गिरवी वाटी, चपाती, दही कांदा.
suggest each and everyone to visit here for sure. And I hope you like this video. If you did, do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you until next time.